There has been a scandal going in Pakistan currently about a case that involves placenta and exporting it to Vietnam. So this is how the case goes. On 26 June 2026, the FIA publicly announced the arrest and revealed the alleged human placenta trafficking operation. According to Pakistan's Federal Investigation Agency (FIA), five suspects were arrested, including three Chinese nationals and two Pakistani nationals. The alleged operation involved human placenta. Authorities say the suspects were collecting placenta from hospital, processing and drying them, and then exporting the processed material to Vietnam. The reported export destination was Vietnam. Now, the investigator alleged the shipment were falsely declared as animal products, such as sheep organs, to conceal their true content. The purpose of the export is still under investigation. The purpose of this video is to look at more of the scientific perspective. The incident raised concern among many people and suggested it might be connected to cannibalism, but there isn't enough evidence to make that conclusion. Instead, let's look at from more scientific perspective and explore what's more likely the logical explanation that the arrest may have wanted the placenta for. Placenta is an organ that grows inside a pregnant woman's uterus during pregnancy. It supplies the baby with oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, and removes the baby waste through the umbilical cord. After the birth, the placenta is delivered and no longer needed. Although placenta is after the birth, the placenta is no longer needed, but the placenta have many benefit and scientific and commercial value. For example, in medical research, scientists study placental tissue to better understand pregnancy, fetal development, and diseases. Then we have regenerative medicine. Parts of the placenta, especially the amniotic membranes, are used in approved wound dressing and some eye surgeries because they can promote healing. Surprisingly, placenta can also be used in cosmetic. Some skin products, particularly in part of East Asia, historically claimed to contain placenta extracts, usually animal placenta, though human-derived ingredients have also existed under strict regulation in some places. And lastly, we have traditional medicine, which, in my opinion, could possibly be the explanation of what these arrests may have wanted the placenta for. So, in some traditional medicine, medical system, processed human placenta, sometimes called zihichi. Sorry if the pronunciation isn't right. In traditional Chinese medicine has been used historically, although its use is controversial and heavily regulated or banned in many countries due to safety and ethical concern.
So my name is Amza and I'm a wildlife and marine life biologist, and today we are going to talk about placenta. A placenta is a reproductive organ used for reproduction, and here are some key points that the placenta has. The placenta is a temporary organ, only used in reproduction. It only develops inside the uterus when the pregnancy is going on. When the placenta is fully developed, the fetus, the embryo, will start forming. The embryo will slowly grow and slowly grow stronger and bigger into a fetus. So the placenta will help the fetus grow more stronger and more bigger. The uterus overall protects the fetus from all the other diseases or all the security measures our body has. The placenta having direct source from his mother's bloodstreams. His mother's bloodstreams have Nutrients, blood, oxygen, and water. Placenta can suck out those vital things for the fetus to survive, and the biological connected to the fetus and placenta which transfer are those vital nutrients and oxygen water. The biological also escorts out waste products like carbon dioxide, and it's not only used in reproduction but also in medical things like skin screen, face serum, face mask. Scientific evidence say that the skin will be more brighter, more smoother, and more highlighted when used. So that's all I have to say for today, and bye.